What's going on, everybody? Today I'm working on an ES300 1999. I believe this is just supposed to be the some special edition,
coach edition.
Alright, project working on. This one also on this side is getting some rubbing on the fender. Check my other video. I'll show you how to kind of pull that fender out. I'm working on some molding right here. This molding is the bottom half of the door. The molding has popped out on this end. You can see, let me put the slide on. Here we go. So you can see here, this piece has come out. Right here, it's loose. So you should be able to, this piece is supposed to be connected onto here. And then this actually has a screw and nut mechanism, which you can access from this side. So you just gotta pry this open on the inside of the door. Try and get under there with one hand without scratching the paint, which is going to be difficult, but let's see. Alright, where did it go? Oh, here it is, came back around. Alright, so, and you can see there's a nut over here. So you gotta do is unscrew that nut, preferably with a socket, not one finger, and then what you can do is hook it back. You just hook it back on to here. When you close it, you hook it on, tighten that screw, and it should be good. Let me see. I'll be right back. Alright, so I got the screw off. Like here, this is what it looks like. You take off the screw. You're gonna pull this out. This is what you have here. This hooks on right here. And it'll have to be put back in here. Slide that back in. You see? Slide that back in. Then you want to push it through. And see that? So now I'm gonna put the nut back on, and that should hold it. Make sure you do it snug but not too tight. Hold on. Alrighty, and here it is. Snug, not too tight. No more gap. And it's good to go. I'll put a link in the description, maybe some tools that I used. You know, you need also a little magnetic attachment on a extension, just in case the nut falls inside there. You can retrieve it. You can like and subscribe. You can support buying the links. I'll continue to snug this up a little bit with both hands. Like and subscribe. Thank you. Make sure you share as well.